The Black Stars of Ghana ejina kono omuni Uganda 4 p.m. Tuesday na coach of the Black Stars Otto Addo or the Nsembi atudwa about Kumasi Asante Kotoko goalkeeper none other than Frederick Asare ninsema okan ne ewa na obibeka say na Frederick Asare what it means they say our chances ene obeda goal no ama Ghana na because in some coach no ede tudwa afa no ho no it looks more positives and it appears to say one here obetimi ayusu Frederick Asare for the Uganda game ene ebekoso ewo Morocco Marrakesh na game no eba so unim say Frederick Asare Asante Kotoko player currently all Black Stars camp odi kasubomu the learning experience and all that Yemompa say obeba no odebeba beboa Kumasi Asante Kotoko na nse enye easy kra Kotoko enye easy kra na nse amanfo kanyoma bebre na Kumasi Centrofo problems Kotoko no Kumasi Centrofo ka ho na den za Kotoko wini dia enye Kumasi Centrofo senior citizens we dey misrebusa o Kotoko wini aya na enye Kumasi Centrofo but we are saying sanity defeat bar we find blames and we kasabibre but me hu ni say enye Centrofo but what me ensama coach or cover Frederick Asare hono mamempotoma was Frederick is a new and a young. I think he made a good first impression. He's very calm on the ball and has a good technique in the goal. He told the GFA media. Let's say, he told the GFA media. Now he's referring to the coach of the Black Stars, which is Coach Otto Addo. And now on the GFA media, no edin komono okayen. The Osaka to no eni mamemfa emma ewa. I was saying Joseph Wallacott at the moment is not playing in his club, so it is difficult to say that he will be number one at the moment. But I think tomorrow I'll give him the chance to play and show himself, and we will keep on watching them and observing them, and we will decide in June who will be the goalkeeper who will stand in the goal. Let's say on Joseph Wallacott also. Or say Joseph Wallacott no uncheda bimo nya bimo man the club sa. Enti Frederick Asare Joseph Wallacott atizigi. Why ene Black Star number 1. Interesting days ahead. Ha.